Hey friends, if you wish to fix the requested URL was rejected, please consult with your administrator browser error. Then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So here's the thing. First of all, check it on a different browser. And how would you do that? Just open a different browser and try to open the URL here. Okay, let's say it was geekjam.com. Then check it here. Okay, so this is one thing. And the second thing is that in 99.9% cases, this is not an issue with the browser. We are doing it to affirm the fact. But the real cause behind it is that the server would be down or the website itself would be down. So let's say that it was a Roblox website. For the sake of this example, it could be any website. Just search for Roblox server status and then go to their original status website, and if that it doesn't have it, then go to down detector, any similar website, to check the server status, and you will notice an outage. Okay, so this is what you can do for it. Or the website might be down. In that case, you will have to contact the website administrator. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.